Good morning, students. How are you? This is your science teacher, Teacher Afreen. Let's start with the date. Today is Wednesday, 29th April 2020. Today we will see the page number 43. So come on, take out your learner's book. Page number 43. Our unit is 5.1 and our topic is in the playground. Our topic is in the playground and you have to see the page number 43. Okay student, in the previous videos we study about the different ways we can move our bodies. We study how the animals can move, how we can move. Look at your screen. We can move by running, jumping, walking, swimming, swinging, flying, crawling or hopping. Okay, we can move like this and the animals also can move like this. These are the different movements. Okay, so these movements we are doing on the earth. On the land we can do these all the movement, and some animals who are living in the water they can swim. Some animals who are living on the tree, so they can jump in the air. The birds can fly. These all the movements about the human beings and about the animals, about the birds and about the fishes. Okay, but today we will study something little different. Okay, so let's see the next slide. Look this picture. Who is he? If you don't know the name, no problem, but think about which person this is, where he lives, where this picture of which place. Just think. You have 1-2 seconds. Think, then think and keep in your mind. This is the picture of Neil Armstrong. Who is he? He is Neil Armstrong and he was an astronaut. He was the first person to walk on the moon. Moon means Qamar. Okay, so this person was the first one who reached at the moon, who took the pictures, who took the information of moon and come back to the earth and tell us about the moon. Okay, now one question is there, who is astronaut? Astronauts also persons, okay, who are going to the space for looking the another planets, taking the information about the other planets. That are the astronaut. And what is the space? Space means it is an area above the earth and around the earth, not on the earth. Okay, space means above the earth and around the earth, not on the earth. So such type of person means astronauts are the person who are going to the space for taking more and more information about the other planets. So this is what we will say. This is the picture of Neil Armstrong. He was an astronaut and he was the first person to walk on the moon. I will revise again. Who is astronaut? Astronaut also person like us, okay, but they are going to the space for taking the information, for discovering different things about the another planets. Okay, our earth is also a planet, but they are going above the earth, not on the earth. Now today's question is, how do astronauts move around in the space? Before we study how we are moving on the earth, how the birds are moving in the sky, how the fishes are moving in the water, but how the astronaut moves in the space. Okay, this is the question. How do astronauts move around in the space? And the answer is, astronauts float in the space. Astronauts float in the space. When you will see your book, you will see there is a girl astronaut, and question is how the astronaut moves. So answer is astronauts float in the sky. Astronauts float in the space. Now students, today you have two homework on your screen. This is the first homework. Question is how does it move? What you have to do, you have to see the pictures and you have to match with the correct spellings, with the correct movement, like fish, how a fish moves. A fish swim in the water. Now your second homework is what you have to do. The question is name different animals which can do the following movement. You have to write, you have to think, and you have to write the animals which can do the movement of run. Number one is run. So which animals can run? You have to write on the right hand. Run, the tiger, the lion, the horse, they can run. So any one is spellings you can write here. Next one is jump. Which animals can jump? Like rabbit, monkeys, they can jump. You have to write on the right hand. Swim, fish can swim. Fly, birds, hop, kangaroo, rabbit, crawl, crocodile, lizard, and swing, monkey. Okay, like this you have to write the homework. Thank you students. Bye bye.